My name is Cole. You can find me on Instagram at Culverlander. This is my beautiful 07 Toyota Tundra. It just rolled over 300,000 miles this morning. I've had this truck for about 3 years now. I bought it at 250,000. Obviously, it was bone stock whenever I bought the truck, and I just kind of threw little parts at it here and there, and just kind of built it up over time with some tasteful mods. I'm gonna walk you guys through it today with all the mods that I've done and some sponsorships that I've gotten. So let's get right into it. First mod I ever did was suspension. That is a necessity here. I went with the Dobinsons IMS for the front coilovers, the rear leaf springs, rear shocks. It's paired with the JBA uppers. Those are a great arm. We hardly ever have to do any maintenance to them. Just keep them greased. Best arms on the market for the buck. Dobinsons, chose them because it's the best ride you can get for the buck too. Very reliable suspension. Hardly ever have to be rebuilt. We've never had to warranty any Dobinsons. We've had to do it with a couple other companies, and you know, you get into like Heim joints and stuff like that. You have to rebuild those every like 30,000 miles, sometimes sooner, especially being in the Midwest. So that's why I went with that combo. Next mod I did was these Method 703s gloss titanium. They are a 17-inch wheel, and I paired them with these Cooper Discover STT Pros. They are 37 by 1250. Great tire, great traction. Honestly, not even that loud for a mud terrain tire. Looks great, nice aggressive stance. Then after that, I got, it's a nice little simple mod, but everyone needs it on the trails, Midland radio. If you don't have it, you need it, man. Chatting with your buddies on the trail, you can't really beat it. It's very, very nice to have. Plenty of jokes go out on the trails with those, tell you what. After the Midland, I got some windshield tint all the way around. I got 20%. It makes it look really good on the front windshield, especially the lights will reflect on it at night. Really cool. I recommend getting your windshield tinted. You know, obviously have a prescription for all that. So, all right, my next modification I did was this Ironman front bumper right here. Worked a little overtime for that. Best overtime I ever did. It looks very clean on this truck. This bumper is made to fit the 14 through 21 Tundra, but it pretty much bolts up exactly the same. There wasn't much to it. The lights that I got are some SSC2s, some SS3s here, and then I have the Diode Dynamics 30-inch single row amber light bar there. Those are all Diode Dynamics in the front there. For the winch setup I have an Ironman 12K winch, 12,000 pound winch. Does really good. Haven't really had to use it much. You know, I get and go everywhere I need to without any struggle. Then I did you have a TRD style grill here. That was pretty simple to install, nice fun little mod, wakes up the truck a lot. For lighting I have up here, this is Form Lighting headlights. They are the best headlight in my opinion for best for your buck. They look nice and clean. They update the truck tremendously, makes it look years newer. Got those from Diode Dynamics there. For ditch lights, I have some SS5s for ditch lights. I think they're about the perfect size for Tundras. You know, you're a mid-sized truck, so I might do something like these SS3s or something, but SS5s fit perfect there. Love them. For up top there, I have 7 SS5s for the light bar. On all my lights, I got amber backlighting. It all looks very, very good with this color. I do have another light that's about to go up there, make it 8, fill that in a little bit more. I got some rock lights coming on the way. They are going to be, I have 4 of them. You can change colors and whatnot. They're Diode Dynamics. They are beautiful lights. You have like 7 or 8 different color options. Bluetooth controller. They're very, very beautiful. Take you guys over here. I got some Ironman steps. They're technically steps, not sliders, but if you look right here, I'm very, very impressed. I have had my full weight of the truck on these steps, and they have performed well. There's, I think, 6 M16 bolts that go through the frame to hold those on, so pretty sturdy steps, honestly. Very impressed with them. Take you guys back up here. We got the Sherpa Little Bear roof rack. There's not many options for this truck. It's extended cab. There's not many options, man. This one looks the best. Chose it for the slim design, nice sleek look. Up top, I got some Max Tracks, orange Max Tracks up there. Just make it look a little, put a little something up there, fill up the space. And if I ever need it on the trails, it's slide it right under. So very cool there. Take you guys to the back. What you guys been waiting for? This big old guy back here. We got 4-wheel campers, camp out model. This is our display model, and I can take you guys back here to kind of check it all out inside. It's pretty much a tiny home you can throw in your bed. It is one of the coolest little campers on the market. You have 2 vents up top that got some fans. That's technically your like AC, and then you have you also have heat in here as well, so you can pop this guy open. So you got your heat there, all your fuses and whatnot. Got your remote for up top there. You got windows and curtains for privacy and whatnot. Like, this thing is the real deal. You got plenty of charging ports. You even have like propane hookups on the outside. Plenty of storage. Very easy to throw on. We are a dealer for them. You guys should really check them out. You can't really get much better for your buck. These are great, great campers. Back here, I have a SS1 hitch light from Diode Dynamics. It is a plug-and-play kit. Takes not even 5 minutes to install. 5 minutes maybe with your eyes closed. Very cool. You can do brake, reverse, and daytime running light with them. And like I said, it's a plug-and-play kit. Very awesome. I think they're about $100. Honestly, one of my favorite lights. Back here, I got some Amazon taillights. Not really proud of them, but I worked with Alpharex.
I got them Amazon taillights. Got them Amazons.
Yep. Amazon taillights. Not proud of them, but Alpharex is being really cool, hooking me up. They're gonna send me some taillights to replace those. They told me I cannot go around with those on. They told me you need a better look, so they're gonna help me out with that. Very, very cool. I want to show you guys all the hookups out here. There is so many hookups for this camper. This guy. All right, I'm done showing those. So we got some Molly panels on the outside too. That comes with the camp out model. The camp out model is definitely more versatile for if you're going off road. That's about it for my truck. All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in with me. This is, again, my 07 Toyota Tundra, 300,000 miles on it, stock powertrain. Just simple maintenance and awesome mods you can do to it to make it really look newer, and you can just revamp it with tasteful mods. Yeah.